Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how to perform Salah, the second pillar of Islam. Let's get started. Before we pray, we must be clean. We do this by performing wudu. Washing the hands, mouth, nose, face, hands, and feet in wudu. Inshallah, we will make a complete video on how to perform wudu very soon, so you subscribe me. Now stand facing the Qibla and make a certain intention in your heart about prayer you are perform. Raise your hands to your ears and say, Allahu Akbar. The means of Allahu Akbar, Allah is greatest. While standing, you recite Surah Al-Fatiha and another short surah like Surah Al-Ikhlas if you want to memorize Surah Al-Fatiha or Surah Al-Ikhlas. So we have dedicated videos on our YouTube channels. You will find in the description is below it. Then go into one position and recite 3 times Subhana Rabbiyal Azim, Subhana Rabbiyal Azim, Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. Glory is to my Lord, most gracious. Now stand and say Sami Allahu liman hamida, Rabbana walakal hamd. Say Allahu Akbar and go down into sujood. In sujood, you recite 3 times Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. Rise from the first Sajda while saying Allahu Akbar. Sit calmly in certain position. Prepare yourself for second Sajda. Now you perform second Sajda while reciting 3 times Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. Now stand again for the second rak'ah and repeat what you did in the first one. After a second rak'ah, second sujood, you sit and recite Tashahhud. Inshallah, I will make on video how to memorize Tashahhud. Please subscribe. To finish the prayer, turn your head to right side, say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, then to the left and repeat. That's how we perform Salah. Keep praying and stay too close, Allah. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum.